Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to our lecture 5 of Mathematics class 1. While attending the lecture, make sure you have your stationery items and countdown book with you. Today our topics are the concept of abacus, page number 19 and 20, and counting in tens, page number 21. In the previous lecture, we learned that less than 10 objects are always considered as ones. They are one digit numbers. जैसे कि 0 से लेकर 9 तक जो हमारी काउंटिंग है वो वन डिजिट नंबर्स होते हैं और उनको हम वंस कंसिडर करते हैं. देन द ग्रुप ऑफ 10 आइटम्स आर कंसिडर्ड एज टेंस. अगर वंस का हम ग्रुप बना लें और 10 आइटम्स को मिला लें तो वो 110 बन जाता है. 110 इज इक्वल टू 10. Let us first learn about abacus. This is an abacus. The abacus has two rods. One rod is for tens and the other is for ones. Each bead in the tens rod represent 110 and each bead in the ones rod represent 1. Let us now read numbers using abacus. Look at this. There is an abacus. One bead in the tens rod means 110s and 3 beads in the ones rod means 3 ones. That is 110 and 3 ones. 110 and 3 ones. The number is 13. Another example. Look at this abacus. There is only one bead in the tens rod and there is no bead in the ones rod. It means it is 110 and 0 ones. 110 and 0 ones and it makes the number 10. ये हमारे पास जो नंबर आया है वो आया है 10. वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. ये आपके पास एक अबैकस है. इसमें आप देख रहे हैं कि 2 रॉड्स हैं और 10 रॉड्स में कोई बीट नहीं है. इट मीन्स के 0 टेंस से है और वंस रॉड में 4 बीट्स नज़र आ रही हैं. तो हमारे पास कितने वंस हुए? 4 वंस. Zero tens and 4 ones and it makes the number 4. Question number 6 on page number 19 is your relevant question regarding this topic. Write the number name in the box. Look at this abacus. In this abacus, there is one bead in the tens rod and count beads in the ones rod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 110 and 6 ones makes the number 16. Write the spelling of 16 in this box. 16. Another example. There are 2 beads in the tens rod and no beads in the ones rod. It makes the number 20. Write the spelling of 20 in the box. Page number 20, question number 7 is your relevant question. Our next topic is how to draw beads on the abacus. There is an abacus and you have to put beads according to the number in the box. That is the number 15. The number on the left side is 1. So if we put 1 bead in the tens rod and 5 is on the right side, we put 5 beads in the ones rod. Here is our next example. Look at the number 4. This is 1 digit number. इसमें हम टेंस रॉड में कोई बीट्स पुट नहीं करेंगे and we have to put beads only in the ones rod. 1, 2, 3 and 4. In our next example, there is number 10. इसमें लेफ्ट साइड पे नंबर 1 है. We put 1 bead in the tens rod और ones rod में कोई bead नहीं आएगा. Page number 20, question number 8 is your practice work. Counting in tens. There are some blocks. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These 10 blocks or 10 ones make 110 or 1 stack. There are 3 stack, 1, 2 and 3. 3 stack of 10 makes 30. 3 stack of 10 makes 30. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 stack makes 60. 6 stack of 10 makes 60. Let us first learn about abacus. This is an abacus. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.